Made in the USA with globally sourced components, including rugged aluminum and powder-coated steel, GPI's G-Series pumps are our newest generation of high-output, high-efficiency fuel transfer pumps. We built G20 for commercial users who need to reliably fuel large equipment such as bulldozers, excavators, and combines. G20 is robust and built to last, so you can depend on G20 to keep your operation running at the toughest job sites and through the harshest weather conditions. G20 is designed and configured for pumping diesel blends up to B20 on small to medium-sized mobile or stationary tanks at 20 gallons per minute and can also be custom configured for use with gasoline, E15, and kerosene. We equipped G20 with many unique features to increase reliability and safety while improving your ease of use. G-Series pumps are built with nearly indestructible composite gears that virtually eliminate maintenance and increase the service life of your pump. G20 is also equipped with quick-fit leak-proof connections, which let you easily connect a variety of accessories, including fuel filters and meters, without worrying about leaks, misalignment, or pipe thread sealants. QuickFit also allows you to rotate the position of the outlet to fit your needs. G20 is designed with an easy-access strainer that prevents debris from entering the pump, a pre-installed power cord that saves you time and hassle during pump installation, and a convenient nozzle drip catch that protects the nozzle from damage and debris. G20 pump systems are also equipped with our custom injection-molded telescoping suction pipe that provides a better seal than other suction pipes on the market. A QR code is also conveniently located on the side of every GPI fuel pump. When you scan the QR code with your smartphone, you will be taken to our MyPump web app. Here you'll find links to the owner's manual, installation videos, links to buy spare parts and accessories, and a phone number to call GPI's product support team. All G20 pumps are 100% full load tested at the factory and backed by an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty, so you can have confidence that when you buy GPI fuel pumps, your operation will run smoothly for years to come. Thank you for choosing GPI.